Welcome to my study today. When we get somebody else to do something for us, we use the causative structure of have. For example, I'm having my hair cut today. Obviously that would be by somebody else. So how do we make up those sentences? They're very important because we use them a lot in English. Oh, and there are 2 exercises for you to practice. When you get something done by somebody else, you could say, I employed a man to sweep the chimneys. But with the causative have, we can say that in a better way. I had the chimneys swept. Or mostly in spoken English, I got the chimneys swept. They are fairly interchangeable. Here we are using have plus an object plus a past participle. So I had, that's the past tense of to have, the chimneys are the object, and the past participle of sweep is swept. Jane had her hair cut. Of course we mean by the hairdresser. But look at this sentence and tell me if you can see anything different. Jane had cut her hair. But this is different, isn't it? Because it means she cut it herself. And here we are using the past perfect tense. So there is a difference between the 2 uses of have. The causative have is very useful for giving advice. I think you should get your hair cut. And I've used get here because it's the spoken form of English. We can make questions with do. Do you have your car cleaned every week? And the answer would be, I don't have it cleaned. I clean it myself. For the past tense, we change that to did and didn't, like this. Did you have your car cleaned every week? I didn't have it cleaned. I cleaned it myself. And we can use other tenses. We can use a continuous tense. You can't come this week. We're having the house painted. Now, if you're a student who really likes English grammar, take a look at this sentence and see what you think. While I was having my hair cut, my car was towed away. Another way of saying that would be, my car was towed away while I was having my hair cut. So now you can probably argue, oh, just a minute, Charles, that's a passive sentence. Is that really causative? Well, we use this causative for talking about unfortunate things or things we didn't plan. Let's take a closer look. Accidents and misfortune. A thief stole Mary's diamonds while she was away on holiday. Let's make that causative. She had all her money stolen while she was on holiday. And of course, that was not arranged or planned. Here's another example. Henry had his leg broken while he was playing rugby, and I'm sure he didn't arrange for that to happen. You can use this structure with things as well as people. The house had its roof blown off in the hurricane. We mostly use the causative have with an infinitive without to, like this. Jane had the plumber repair the pipe after the flood, but occasionally you will see it, so we can't say that it's incorrect. Jane got the plumber to repair the pipe after the flood. If you found my lesson useful today, could I ask you to please subscribe below and ring that bell? Thanks. Now here's a couple of exercises for you to practice. Exercise 1. Complete the sentences using the correct tense of have, the object and the past participle. Exercise 1. Answers. Exercise 2. Complete the answers to the questions using got. Exercise 2. Answers. Next time we shall have a look at the rather difficult neither and nor. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe below and I'll see you next time. Bye.